Hi, I'm here with Samsung's latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which, if you're not familiar, is the one with the stylus. You can use for all of the things that you would expect to use a stylus for, namely doodling, handwriting recognition. The stylus also has a click on top, which is not just good for fidgeting, which I personally enjoy, but you can also use it as a remote control for certain aspects of the phone. There's an accelerometer in the stylus, so you can sort of gesture like a Harry Potter situation and control the phone that way. You can sort of set your phone up to take a picture of yourself or yourself and friends, and you can wave the stylus around to either zoom in, zoom out, click the button, and take pictures that way. So it's sort of like a built-in photo bulb. There's the regular Note 10, the Note 10 Plus, which are different in size. The Note 10 has a 6.3-inch diagonal screen. The Note 10 Plus has a 6.8, so a little bit larger. Their screens are different resolutions. The Note 10 has a full HD screen. The Note 10 Plus has a quad HD screen, a little bit more pixel density, a little bit sharper picture as a result, but they both have HDR Plus when it comes to the colors. Both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus have this 3-camera cluster with a telephoto lens, a wide lens, and an ultra-wide lens. Also has a depth vision camera, which is used for the Note's new 3D scanning tech. The Note 10 Plus here has 12 gigabytes of RAM. It also has a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. Comes in a number of colors like most smartphones nowadays. This is the Aura Glow background, which struck me as a little bit gaudy at first, but now I love it. It looks like the underside of a CD-ROM. The Note 10 Plus has a slightly higher resolution screen. I think you'd be pretty hard-pressed to notice it. I certainly haven't noticed it. It's the difference between 458 pixels per inch on the iPhone XS Max, 498 pixels per inch on the Note 10 Plus. So until I got the Note 10 Plus, which I've switched over to as my daily driver now, I was using the Google Pixel 3, which is also a great phone. Buttons are on a different side, minor detail. I've been using the Pixel 3 for 4 or 5 months. The biggest thing I noticed about switching to the Note 10 Plus is the battery life is so much better. My Pixel 3 will die on me before the end of the day if I'm using it a lot. Haven't run into that problem once yet with the Note 10 Plus. Using it pretty heavily for about a week and a half now. What I have here is the Note 10 Plus with 256 gigabytes of storage. So that is as tested. This is an $1,100 phone, so a little bit pricey. It only goes up from there. And then for an even more overkill option, if you opt for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 512 onboard storage and a 5G radio, which I don't recommend because there's not enough 5G out there. That will run you $1,400, which is a heck of a lot of fun. If you're looking to get any flavor of the Galaxy S10 or the Note 10, it's worth your time to go through and do a spec check of model to model, because there's a lot of subtle little fiddly differences. They don't matter a lot, but you don't want to get caught off guard.